बताइए।
Not scanned, that's what
जी जी
I'm
बताइए।
handing over the call. Also prepared a chronology of figures.
जी जी, जो 3 सवाल कल थे वो उनका उत्तर
का उत्तर सब पहले ही 3 पैराग्राफ्स की
है। हाँ बस उतना ही बता दीजिए, पढ़िएगा।
There are two PM.
जी बताइए। कहाँ है AR1? AR1 इज पेज नंबर
Here one चाहिए
किस डेट का है AR1
12/8 की लिखी थी,
है?
12/8
जी, कहाँ है इसकी तामीर?
प्लॉट ये अदम तामील है। पीछे
क्या लिखा है इस पे पीछे?
लिखा है ग्राम प्रक्रिया में सपना में है अदम तामील वापस।
हाँ तो फिर ये इस नोटिस का क्या मतलब हुआ? This notice will not give you any.
Probably very honestly placed whatever is there.
हाँ तो अब ऑनेस्टली बता दीजिए, why do you want to prolong?
But we do not want.
13 के अधिनियम के अनुसार आप इनका भुगतान कर दीजिए।
सर इसमें क्या है सर? They have actually not suppressed the fact.
नहीं, हम तो सिर्फ आपसे ये जो AR1 है इसका नोटिस जब जारी किया गया भूअर्जन अधिकारी द्वारा, ठीक है, इसमें भी एम्बिग्विटी है, ठीक है। नोटिस में ऊपर कोई तारीख नहीं डालने का कष्ट किया गया है। साइन करने से तारीख तो ऊपर भी पड़ती है ना। डिस्पैच नंबर पड़ता है 67 डाल दिया है, खाता क्रमांक है ऊपर, ऊपर नंबर, डिस्पैच नंबर कहाँ है इसका?
67 नंबर है सर।
67 खाता नंबर है।
सारे लोगों को सर सेम नोटिस।
अरे फिर उसका नोटिस डिस्पैच रजिस्टर कहाँ है?
ओरिजिनल रिकॉर्ड भी है।
अब दिखाइए ना, ओरिजिनल रिकॉर्ड से दिखाइए, डिस्पैच नंबर दिखाइए। डिस्पैच रजिस्टर में चढ़ाए होंगे ना ये नोटिसेस।
सुबह तक बैठ के भी
नहीं आप
वेरी लेंथी टू बी।
ठीक है, 15 से पेंडिंग है ना, 9 साल हो गए, काफी लेंथी हो गया। दिखाइए डिस्पैच रजिस्टर। ये क्या है? ये डिस्पैच रजिस्टर तोड़ना है। डिस्पैच रजिस्टर बोल रहा हूं मैं आपसे। मैडम, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ डिस्पैच रजिस्टर? जब शासन से कोई भी करस्पॉन्डेंस जारी होगी तो वो एक डिस्पैच रजिस्टर में चढ़ाई जाएगी, उसके बाद में वो भेजा जाएगा। कहाँ है वो डिस्पैच रजिस्टर? दिस इज नॉट, यू आर ट्राइंग टू मिसलीड द कोर्ट। दिस इज नॉट डिस्पैच रजिस्टर। इसमें लिखा है ग्राम पडरा फॉर्म 18 क एवं ख तहसील हुजूर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रीवा। दिस इज नॉट डिस्ट। एंड आप भी एडिशनल एडवोकेट जनरल साहब बिगड़ समझे हुए कागज आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं। वेयर इज द डिस्पैच रजिस्टर?
Your lordship may give us time.
No, I'll not grant you any.
It's not, lordship, with great respect, Lord, they've tried to find out the entire night they were in the office.
They are not obliging the court. One, they have been acting as an oppressor towards the citizen.
That's
Yes.
absolutely incorrect.
That is not absolutely, merely you are saying in English that it is absolutely incorrect, is will not make it incorrect. Since 2015, this matter is pending. Land acquisition proceedings took place 15 years prior to that. Now the issue is very simple. Show me from the record, you admit that this is not a service. AR1 does not amount to service of notice on the beneficiary. You admit this fact?
Your
Then
lordship
after
is
that,
trying to
after-
ascertain as to whether they have knowledge of this fact.
No. I'm trying to ascertain that if this notice was served on them or not, because your contention is that they did not come forth to accept the compensation. I asked you, second issue, that if any check was prepared in favor of the
That is-
beneficiary,
No check was prepared.
no check was prepared. Yes.
What has happened, Lord? We filed a chronology.
जी.
Your lordship may just kindly
हाँ,
appreciate.
please बताइए.
Look, I'll just refer to the chronological events.
जी.
Yes.
कहाँ लिखे हैं वो?
Good over to your
किस पेज पर लिखना है?
Lord, they purchased the land in 1986.
Yes.
Thereafter, section 4 का notice हुआ.
जी, 91 में.
19 और 2991 को
हाँ.
93 का we acquired किया land.
हाँ.
Now, what has happened, Lord?
जी.
The petitioner appeared on 15/10/91.
Yes.
आप देखें, we filed this as AR5 on page 38.
Page 38. Yes.
They appear before the land acquisition office
जी.
and they filed their reply along with their wakalat.
ठीक है. ठीक है.
So this shows that they have every knowledge of this fact.
उसका अवार्ड की नॉलेज क्या है? क्या was award passed in open court?
उसके बाद अवार्ड पास हुआ
जी.
7/6/93 को the final award.
जी.
Now, on 12/6/93, just after 5 days,
जी.
a miscellaneous petition is filed
जी.
before this honorable
जी.
court, challenging the acquisition proceedings and the award.
जी.
उसमें what they do, Lord, thereafter in the chronology this notice is there.
जी.
उसके बाद in that petition on 19/8/93 this honorable court is pleased to grant the stay order.
Yes.
उसके बाद on 2/9/93
स्टे ऑर्डर क्या था? टू नॉट टू डिस्पोजेस.
not to dispense.
अवार्ड स्टे नहीं किया था. जी.
Now 2/9/93 is the petitioner, Lord, files an application for amendment
जी.
along with all other similar petitioners.
Yes.
Now this is registered as IS 7280 of 93
जी.
and this is filed in MP 2559 of 93.
Right.
Now this makes it clear not that they have every knowledge of this fact and they have the knowledge of the award also.
जी.
So this is now the prayer in this petition MP
जी.
is exactly same as the prayer which they have filed in this petition.
Okay.
Now they did not disclose this fact before this honorable court, Lord,
जी.
that on 25/6/2022,
जी.
2002, the MP has already been dismissed by me.
Okay. This fact is not disclosed.
This fact is not disclosed in the para 2 of the petition, Lord, where they are
Anywhere in the petition or in para 2 of the petition?
कहीं भी नहीं किया, Lord. Para 2 में तो परफॉर्मा ही है.
Okay.
इन्होंने बताया नहीं लेकिन.
अच्छा, चलिए ठीक है फिर.
और ये बोलते हैं कि हमको कोई नॉलेज नहीं है, हमको कोई नोटिस नहीं है.
ठीक है. नहीं
Now,
आप इशू ये प्रोविजन क्या कहता है? आपने 2002 में तहसीलदार ने पोजीशन दे दिया कि पिटीशन खारिज होने के बाद.
great respect, Lord, we go down to all the observations that are made by Lordship. We have been incorrect. We admit all these things, Lord, that perhaps notice was not properly issued. Notice issue भी हुआ तो इनको तामील नहीं हो. But so far as the knowledge is concerned, Lord, they have every knowledge.
नहीं नॉलेज
उन्होंने उसके बाद
दीजिए 2013 का एग्रीकल्चर दिया दीजिए. उसकी
इन्होंने
रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है?
suppress
लॉ की रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है?
सेक्शन 12 लॉर्डशिप
हाँ.
1894 का
1894 भी दीजिएगा और नया एक्ट भी दीजिएगा.
award of collector when to be final.
Well, 12(2) में
जी,
the Act of 1894,
yes,
as your lordship observed.
जी,
Section 12(2) में
जी,
the collector shall give immediate notice of the award to such of the persons interested as are not present personally or by the representatives when the award is.
जी,
अब नोटिस इशू हुआ है,
लेकिन तामील नहीं हुआ है।
तामील नहीं हुआ,
जी,
बट द नॉलेज इज देयर।
हाँ, ठीक है, चलिए उसके बाद
उसके बाद अब
2013 का एक्ट क्या कहता है?
उसके बाद सर क्या हुआ है कि I'll just apprise the lordship now. The reply of the thereafter on 30/8/2002 Lord,
जी,
the Tehsildar by the annexure R1, which is in reply of the housing board Lord,
जी,
has given the possession of the entire land to the MP housing.
जी,
And and on 23/2008, the land is mutated
जी,
in the name of the MP housing.
जी,
Now, when the impugned notices are issued, which are under challenge in this petition annexure P7 on page 54, Lord, the MP Housing Board issued the notices to the petitioner for vacating the land.
जी,
Now, your lordship may kindly see what this notice is.
जी,
This is annexure P7 on 54.
पिटिशन के साथ, जी,
P7 of the petition,
जी,
page 54.
जी,
ये लिखते हैं विषय, your lordship है,
जी,
मंडल की भूमि पर अवैध रूप से किए गए अतिक्रमण की शीघ्र हटाने वाला।
जी,
उपरोक्त विचारांतर लेख है कि आपके द्वारा मंडल की भूमि पर अवैध रूप से अतिक्रमण किया गया है। उक्त भूमि मंडल के नाम नामांतरित हो चुकी है। दिनांक 14/5/15 के पूर्व किए गए अवैध अतिक्रमण को हटा लेवे, अन्यथा दिनांक 14/5/15 को मंडल द्वारा उक्त भूमि बलपूर्वक रिक्त कराई जाएगी, जिसकी संपूर्ण जिम्मेदारी आपकी होगी।
जी,
Now, your lordship may kindly see, Lord,
जी, Just a minute.
जो नोटिस है इसी के साथ एक लिस्ट लगा है।
एक मिनट रुक जाइएगा प्लीज। जी, इस नोटिस का क्या लिस्ट लगाई है?
ये जो हाउसिंग बोर्ड का रिप्लाई है मेरा, annexure R1 of the housing board's reply,
दैट इज आईए नंबर,
which is 10428 of 50.
10428,
20
सीरियल नंबर 20,
Yes.
यस, हाँ,
return.
हाँ,
इसका R1 है मलोट पेज 9 पे।
हाँ, ठीक है, क्या लिखा उसमें?
ये है विशेष न्यायालय भू अर्जन अधिकारी एवं अनुभागीय तहसील उदूर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रीवा द्वारा ग्राम पडरा स्थित खसरा नंबर सूची संलग्न की भूमि कुल रकबा 18.10 हेक्टेयर का अवार्ड पारित किया जाकर भूमि का आधिपत्य सहायक यंत्री MP हाउसिंग बोर्ड को आज दिनांक 30/8/2002 को सौंपा।
जी,
इसके साथ मतलब एक लिस्ट अटैच है
जी,
जिसमें
पूर्व भूमि स्वामी और प्रेजेंट भूमि स्वामी के नाम दिए हुए हैं। जी,
अब एंट्री नंबर 94 pertains to the petition.
जी, 94, यस, 94 किस पेज पर है?
पेज 13 पर, तो ऊपर नीचे स्कैन हुए हैं।
जी, जी, यस,
ये 93 पे है, खसरा 493 राजेश कुमार
जी,
son of Rao. And इसके ऑन पेज 16 there is another list.
जी,
ये लिस्ट कहती है पडरा रीवा स्थित अर्जित भूमियों की सूची जिन पर मकान बने हैं।
जी,
इस सूची में 493 नहीं है।
ये तो ये सूची किस तारीख को प्रिपेयर की गई है?
ये सर
इसकी तारीख कहाँ है और क्या पंचनामा बना है क्या?
सर
ये तो सूची हाउसिंग बोर्ड की है, हाउसिंग बोर्ड में राइट एनीथिंग, पंचनामा बना क्या
Please,
पब्लिक ऑफिशियल्स के सामने और बेनिफिशियर्स के सामने पंचनामा बना कि किस जमीन पे क्या स्थिति है, क्या पेड़ लगे हैं, कितने कुएं हैं, कितने मकान हैं। आप अपने ऑफिस में बैठ के कोई भी कागज बना लें, उसका क्या मतलब है? Either this should be in the form of a panchnama where some of the officials of the district administration, some of the officials of the housing board, and notice should have been given to the beneficiaries whose land has been acquired to point out that there is no construction existing on the said property which has been handed over. इसको ऑफिस में बैठ के बनाने का क्या मतलब है?
ऐसा नहीं है। इन्होंने जो अपने पिटिशन में लगाए रिसीप्ट ये टैक्स भरते रहे, वो रिसीप्ट 2013 का है। अगर ये पहले से भरते होते तो ये बताते कि ये
नहीं, वो तो
2002
बात,
में कंस्ट्रक्शन हुआ।
वो तो बात की बात है।
जी।
पहले तो ये बता दीजिए इस दस्तावेज की सैंक्टिटी क्या है? आपके बैठ के कार्यालय में, हाउसिंग बोर्ड के कार्यालय में कार्यपालन यंत्री और सहायक यंत्री बैठ के कोई कागज बना लें?
सर ऐसा है नहीं, तहसीलदार ने
कहाँ है तहसीलदार के साइन, बताइए ना। और कब नोटिस कहाँ है इसका?
सर ये ऑर्डर ही आप देख ले, ये जो R1 है पेज 9 पे,
हाँ,
दिस इज
क्या कहता है आर्मन?
तहसीलदार का ये है,
क्या कहता है?
भूमि का आधिपत्य प्रमाण पत्र।
हाँ।
इसमें ये लिखा है कि न्यायालय भू अर्जन अधिकारी एवं अनुभागीय अधिकारी तहसील हजूर जिला रीवा ग्राम सोयनसो स्थित खसरा नंबर सोयनसो की भूमि जिसका कुल रकबा 18.1 हेक्टेयर का अवार्ड पारित किया जाकर भूमि का आधिपत्य सहायक यंत्री MP हाउसिंग बोर्ड उपसंभाग क्रमांक 2 रीवा को आज दिनांक 30/8/2002 को सौंपा गया।
इसमें कहाँ संलग्न कहाँ लिखा है? जो दस्तावेज नीचे लिखे हैं, उनका संलग्न के बारे में कहाँ लिखा है?
संलग्न सूची अनुसार
कहाँ लिखा है संलग्न सूची?
सेकंड लाइन।
संलग्न सूची अनुसार जी।
तो ये सूची है सर, इसमें इनके अकेले का नहीं है सर, सारे लोगों का।
ये मकान का तो डिस्प्यूट छोड़ दीजिए, इशू ये है कि 24/2 में जब आपने मुआवजा नहीं दिया तो उसके क्या प्रभाव होगा? 2013 का जो एक्ट है उसका सेक्शन 24(2) क्या कहता है?
सर इनका
चलिए मकान को भी भूल जाइए 2 मिनट के लिए।
ये कहते हैं कि वी आर नॉट पार्टी टू एनी प्रोसीजर, व्हिच इज एब्सोल्युटली इनकरेक्ट। पूरा अवार्ड इनके, पूरे अवार्ड में इनके नॉलेज में है, ये हाई कोर्ट भी जाते हैं।
वो सुन ले।
पूरा
यस
suppress
मिस्टर
करते
सिंह।
हैं।
लॉर्डशिप मेरी प्रेयर तो 24/2 की है लॉर्डशिप। जो लैंड एक्वायर की गई थी 1900
प्रेयर पढ़िए ना इनकी, 24/2 की प्रेयर है।
जी
विल रिस्ट्रिक्ट टू दैट ओनली।
जी।
This was already decided. They came to this honorable court, suppress such an important fact. अगर ये हो सकता है पहले बताते तो ये petition भी admitted now. Because sir, the fact remains that all these things have been along with the additional reply now, Lord, we have filed the list of all those people who came thereafter. 2007 में majority लोगों ने आकर के अपना
ठीक है।
पैसा लिया। वो we have filed-
इनको पैसा भेजने में क्या तकलीफ
सर
थी?
कोई तकलीफ नहीं, ये एक बार मांग, अगर हम मिस हो गए, अगर इनका इंटेंशन रहता ये एक बार लिखते हम पैसा।
हम आपका आर्गुमेंट लिख लेंगे कि अगर आप मिस हो गए तो इनको मिस नहीं करना चाहिए था।
Your Lordship may kindly see their conduct, Lord. And there is nothing that we have no intention
ये
to
गल-
pay that up.
चलिए, now see the
With
order.
great respect.
Now see the order. This petition is filed on the ground that certain land acquisition proceedings were initiated in the year 1991 when notice for acquiring land under section 4 of the Land Acquisition Act of 1894 was issued. Full stop. Petitioner's contention is that though land was acquired, compensation was paid, and therefore in terms of the provisions contained in section 24 within bracket 2 of the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act, 2013, the proceedings stand lapsed, and therefore there are only two options to the state, either to initiate fresh proceedings or to return the land pertaining to the present petitioner. So next pair. Learned counsel for the state, Shri Harpreet Singh Rupra, along with the collector Rewa, is present in person. They submit that land was purchased by the petitioner White registered sale deed dated 4/7/1986. Full stop. Notice under section 4 was issued on 10/5/91. Thereafter, notice was given under section 9 within bracket 3 on B-Snow 1991 under the Act of 1894. Next para. On 15/10/1991, petitioner appeared before the land acquisition officer and filed reply along with wakalatnama. Full stop. Final award was passed on 7/6/1993. Full stop. This award was challenged by the petitioner by filing MP 2559 of 1993. Full stop. Thereafter, certain amendments were carried out. Full stop. Shri Harpreet Singh Rupra submits that on 12/8/1993, in notice as enclosed by him along with IA number, कितनी IA number है? 178 है ये आपने दिया ना, इसमें 178 नंबर ही तो पूछ रहे हैं आपसे वकील साहब। चेक करिएगा नंबर, IA नंबर 178 फाइल्ड ऑन 8/1/2025. Full stop. However, Shri Rupra fairly admits that this notice AR1 was never served on the petitioner. Full stop. He has tried to produce some documents which are admittedly not copy of dispatch register. Full stop. Next one. Though Shri Rupra has taken a plea that he along with the collector have worked for the whole night and some more time be granted to them to work out final details, but fact of the matter is that this case is pending since 2015. Full stop. Land was acquired in 1993. Full stop. Therefore, petitioner is at a receiving end for over 30 years. Full stop. Therefore, prayer of Shri Rupra to grant more time is rejected. Full stop. Even otherwise, collector was directed to remain present with all the original records. Full stop. If collector failed to produce the original records to the learned additional advocate general, then state is to be blamed and no indulgence can be shown by further extending the time, allowing the collector and the state to further oppress the litigant. Full stop. Next paragraph. Shri Rupra further submits that on 19/8/1993, Honorable High Court had passed a stay order regarding not dispossessing the petitioners in MP 2559 of 1993. Thereafter, amendment application IA 7280 of 93 was filed. That was allowed, and thereafter, admittedly, MP number 2559 of 1993 was dismissed by order dated 25/6/2002. Full stop. Next paragraph. Before adverting to, it is submitted that thereafter on Fees Act 2002, possession was given by the Tehsildar to the executive engineer of the Housing Board, while annexure R1 filed along with IF 10428 of 2015, and there is no mention of constructed house over the Khasra number 493, which was acquired from the petitioner. Full stop. It is further submitted that petitioner too has produced property tax receipts from 2013 onwards, which construction in the year 1993 or 2002. Full stop. Then it is submitted that on 20/3/2008, land was mutated in the name of Madhya Pradesh Housing Board. Full stop. On 7/5/15, MP Housing Board issued notices to the petitioner for vacating the land, and then petitioner filed this writ petition suppressing the fact that earlier MP 2559 of 1993 on the same issue which was already dismissed. Next para. It is submitted that Honorable Court was pleased to grant interim order of status quo with regard to possession as well as demolition. Full stop. Thus, it is submitted that since petitioner has not approached this court with clean hands, petition be dismissed. Next para. Shri Rajendra Singh, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that at present he is only pressing relief number 2, that is in terms of the provisions contained in section 24 within bracket 2 of the Act of 2013, since no compensation has been paid.
And possession also has not
Therefore-
been taken, Lord Sir.
Therefore, please,
So
therefore, आपका argument काटना पड़ेगा. Therefore, proceedings under the Act of 1894 will be deemed to have been late, and respondents have two choices, either to initiate fresh proceedings under the Act of 2013 or to return the land, as the proceedings will be deemed to have been lapsed as were initiated under the Act of 1894. Full stop. It is also submitted that even possession of the land was physically not taken and only a symbolic possession was handed over by the Tehsildar to the executive engineer. Next para. After hearing learned counsel for the parties and going through the record, comma, this court had asked the learned collector to point out as to on which date notices were issued and served on the petitioner. Full stop. It is fairly admitted that the only notice which was issued to the petitioner after passing of the award is enclosed as Annexure AR1 dated 12/8/1993, and admittedly that was never served on the petitioner, as is evident from the report read over by Shri Harpreet Rupra on the overleaf of the notice Annexure AR1. Full stop. Therefore, it is admitted fact that notice of the notice issued by the respondent land acquisition officer asking the petitioner to accept compensation or take compensation was never served on the petitioner. Full stop. Next paragraph. Yesterday, this court had categorically asked the collector that whether any check was prepared in favor of the petitioner and then it was sent for service on the petitioner and petitioner had refused to accept the check, comma, in response, today Shri Harpreet Singh Rupra, learned Additional Advocate General, fairly admits that no such check or bank draft was prepared in favor of the petitioner. Full stop. Next. It was also asked that whether any notices were issued after dismissal of the miscellaneous petition MP 2559 of 1993 in 2002, comma, in response to that, in para 2, Collector Srimati Pratibha Pal has fairly accepted that no notices were issued to the petitioner in regard to claiming of compensation after the dismissal of the miscellaneous petition in the year 2002 filed by the petitioner, but has said that within inverted commas, but it is suffice to state here that notice dated 12/8/1993 was duly issued to the petitioner after passing of the award of the compensation in the year 1993. Full stop. Copy of the notice dated 12/8/93 annexed as Annexure AR1. Full stop. Inverted commas closed. Next paragraph. However, issuance of this notice in a mechanical manner and without serving it on the beneficiary will have no positive impact for the state. Full stop. In para 3, it is of the affidavit dated 8 January 2025. It is mentioned that there are no order sheets on the file to show that collector oblique land acquisition officer had directed not to disburse the compensation. Full stop. In para 4 mentioned that no steps were taken to disburse the compensation in favor of the petitioner after dismissal of the miscellaneous petition by order dated 25/6/2002. Full stop. However, in the next breath, it is mentioned that petitioner had also not approached the authorities for collecting the compensation. Next breath. When these averments are taken into consideration, then subsection 2 of section 12 of the Land Acquisition Act 1894 provides that, within inverted commas, the collector shall give immediate notice of his award to such of the persons interested as are not present personally or by their representatives when the award is made. Full stop, inverted commas, close. Next paragraph. It is evident that since notice annexure AR1 was issued as mentioned by the learned collector in her affidavit, then that means that admittedly petitioner or his representative were not present when the award was passed. Full stop. Purpose of issuance of notice is not to fulfill the hollow formalities, but to make the person aware that award has been passed, and then the subsequent step is to disburse the compensation. Full stop. Non-service of notice and then taking no steps to disburse the compensation in favor of the petitioner will attract the provisions contained in section 24 within bracket 2 of the Act of 2013. Full stop. Next paragraph. Subsection 2 of section 24 of the Act of 2013 reads as under: colon dash within inverted commas, notwithstanding anything contained in subsection within bracket 1 bracket close comma, in case of land acquisition proceedings initiated under the Land Acquisition Act, 1894 bracket में 1 of 1894 bracket close comma, where an award under the said section 11 has been made 5 years or more prior to the commencement of this act, but the physical possession of the land has not been taken or compensation has not been paid, the said proceedings shall be deemed to have lapsed, and the appropriate government, if it so chooses, shall initiate the proceedings of such land acquisition afresh in accordance with the provisions of this act, next line, provided that where an award has been made and compensation in respect of a majority of land holdings has not been deposited in the account of the beneficiaries, then, all beneficiaries specified in the notification for acquisition under section 4 of the said Land Acquisition Act, shall be entitled to compensation in accordance with the provisions of this act. Full stop, inverted commas, close. Next paragraph. When this provision is taken into consideration, then admittedly compensation has not been paid to the petitioner till date. Full stop. This fact is admitted both by the learned Additional Advocate General and the collector Riva, who is appearing in person. Next paragraph. Thus, even if there is a dispute in regard to possession, whether it was taken over or not, though that is a contentious issue in view of the notice annexure P7 dated 7/5/2015 issued by the Executive Engineer, Madhya Pradesh Housing Board and Infrastructure Development Board, Division Riva, yet the words used in subsection 2 of section 24 are or. Thus, it is clear that if possession is not taken or compensation is not paid, then the proceedings shall be deemed to have lapsed. Full stop. Therefore, I have no hesitation to hold that as far as survey number 493 belonging to petitioner is concerned, since compensation has not been paid, proceedings stands lapsed qua the petitioner. Full stop. Now it will be open to the state, if it so requires, either to initiate fresh acquisition proceedings in terms of the provisions contained in the Act of 2013, or to restore or to allow the petitioner to enjoy his possession, and accordingly, till fresh proceedings are undertaken, notice annexure P7 is hereby quashed. The petition is allowed respondent state to bear cost of this litigation, which is quantified at rupees 25,000.
It's in my humble prayer.
Like area
बस name में भी stored the petitioner in the revenue card.
यहाँ प्रेयर ही नहीं मांगी है, कर तो दिया। वकील साहब, ऑर्डर समझने की कोशिश किया करिए आप लोग।
Obligers.
क्या है परपीचुअल डिससेटिस्फेक्शन? आपका एक जो है हॉलमार्क है वकीलों का। आपको सिर्फ मान के चलते हैं कि कोर्ट आपका एडवर्सरियल है और जो है वो जो
No.
करेगा वो गलत करेगा।
No, lords.
ठीक है ना, जाइए
Obligers.
चुनौती दीजिएगा इस आदेश को।
No, no.
हाँ, साहब का नाम डाल दीजिए। इसको रिकॉर्ड पे रख लीजिए। साइड से रख लो।
Wait, please, Your Lordship. There is an IA for amendment, my lord, although it is only filed to meet a very technical objection.
किस चीज की आई है?
This is. सर फाइल करी नहीं करी सर दिए
तो ये अमेंड करेंगे तो इनको जवाब के लिए टाइम देना पड़ेगा। ये आईए का जवाब देंगे आप?
सर ये 2007 की पिटीशन है।
मैं वही समझ में नहीं आ रहा।
इसमें अमेंडमेंट लगा
नहीं,
रहे
नहीं,
हैं। They are changing the
No, no,
nature of the-
no, no.
I will not.
नहीं, definitely I understand that.
Only to meet out a technical objection.
No, no.
Technical
We'll grant
substantial,
them time to file reply.
substantial objection, not we can.
How can
Lordship, it is only to meet.
this amendment be filed after lapse of so many years?
My lord, it was a subsequent, in pursuance to court order, my lords.
क्या है कोर्ट ऑर्डर की डेट बताइए?
That is court order dated. Just a moment. 23/5/2008.
23/5/2008।
Yes.
उसके लिए एप्लीकेशन आप लगाएंगे
No.
2025 में?
No, my lord, in pursuance to that court order, my representation was rejected. Now, a part,
When was it rejected? एक second, 23/5/2008.
it was rejected in 2008 itself.
And then
In this very proceeding, and my lords, a new ground was raised of rejection. Initially, they said
the
something.
council,
Lordship,
once it was rejected in 2008,
lordship.
how an amendment
It
application?
is only to meet out a technical.
No, sorry.
Lordship,
If you were sleeping over the matter,
lordship,
you should have moved an amendment application in 2008 or 2009 itself.
lordship.
Sorry.
It is only to meet out.
I'm dismissing your amendment application.
Lordship, then I'll move on to the impugned order annexure P1, right?
Yeah. Likhiyega. In view of the fact that amendment